Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Toyolex for Black Diamond Edition. This is a useful tool for Toyota and Lexus ECU related work. In this video, I will show you how to get this tool, how to install it, and the basic setup process. Toyolex for Black Diamond Edition comes with different features that can help automotive technicians in their daily work. So watch this video completely because I will explain every step clearly. Now let's start the process and see how this tool works. If you find this video helpful, make sure to watch the full video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your WhatsApp groups. Your support helps me to make more ECU, automotive tools, and programming videos. For more useful tools and updates, stay connected and check my channel inbox for more details.